Hello, welcome to Espresso. I'm Doug.
I'm Barb.
And this is strain relief removal. This is kind of the Cheryl Nardi edition, I suppose.
You can't name her.
I can't name her?
No.
She's the one that asked how do you do this, so this is why I'm doing it.
Oh, that's true.
Okay, this is a Heyco Strain Relief Plier. And this is a Heyco Strain Relief that goes on the power cord, so it keeps it from pulling out of the machine if you happen to swing it around by the power cord.
Not a good idea.
This is the way a new one looks. It's 2 pieces. And this is the one installed. Okay, there's 2 kinds of strain reliefs that they used on Olympia machines. And one is completely circular. It kind of pushes in. That one's a harder one to deal with than this Heyco. Okay, so, and of course, this is Imperial. This is what's available here in North America. This is a metric hole size. So you're going to want to be able to reuse this part if you want to replace your power cord. Now the way this works is that first you get yourself kind of comfortable. Your goal here is not to scratch up your paint, of course. And you locate on the strain relief this part here. That's the part we're going to compress with the jaw. Okay? That's the little slotty part. That's the part that moves. So we're going to get comfortable and get the tool oriented so we can grab it by that and compress that little piece that I showed you. Now I have to look at it again. Kind of take your time to stay away from your paint. You just basically grab it and compress that part.
The most important part on using this is to line up.
Line it up. See, I'm just pulling it straight out and wiggling it. Oh, I also unhooked the wires on the other end before I did that.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, okay.
So unhook the wires.
Unhook the wires.
Then line up the plier ends with the slot that you want to compress.
Yeah, and you might have to adjust the jaw. You see how this jaw is, it can be made smaller and bigger for various size strain reliefs. But that's the size I'm using for this.
And which side did you put on the part that squishes in?
You can
or
put
does it matter?
either jaw, depending on what's most comfortable for you.
Okay.
But what you're doing here is you're getting it oriented and you're grabbing it on the body of it, and you're putting that jaw right
Okay,
there
hold
on.
it
See the little squeezable part?
No, just hang on. Just.
See what I'm doing? I'm compressing that block. I'm compressing this part that fits in. Now to install your new cord, and especially on the cord, once you take this thing apart, you'll see that there's quite a bit of a dimple in the cord.
And it just pulls apart?
See this? Yeah, it just comes apart just like that. But see where the strain relief bit into the cord?
Yeah.
If you're using a new cord, it's going to be harder to squish it. So I'm going to put that back in the same place-ish. Put this back together and I'll show you how to put it back in. Well, let's just pick a new part of the cord so I can demonstrate fully. You assemble the Heyco. Okay, you assemble the Heyco. I'm on a fresh part of the cord, so now the installation is the reverse. You get your tool in such a place so you can compress only that little block. Now you might have to do this in 2 stages. First you compress see, I'm down on the body of it now. Since I got a fresh part of the cord, I'm going to do this in 2 steps. Bring this back to the edge. Okay, so I'm going to get it started by just pushing it straight in. Now see, I've got the body of the thing started. Now I'm going to come back with my pliers. I'm going to get a new grip on it so I don't scratch my paint. And I squeeze it hard, kind of rock it around, and it's in.
It's like magic.
Right, to get it out, once again, I'll show you how to do that again. You can put it on the little block. You compress it.
Squeeze.
See, I'm kind of rotating it around and pulling straight out at the same time. Put it back in. You do the reverse.
It's like a wine cork.
That's how you use the Heyco Strain Relief Pliers, and it is the right tool for this job. It's the perfect tool for this job, and in my opinion, it's the only tool for this job. So there you go. That's how you do it. Bye.
Bye.